Hi y'all, I'm just gonna jump right in. This is just gonna be a quick dream messages episode that I received last night. I had several different dreams last night, but they all really kind of fit into one, and I know this is for my collective. It is a specific message, so please don't make it fit, only take what resonates. This is going to absolutely be for my singles, and particularly my singles who are manifesting love and marriage and even a family and maybe even a pregnancy as well. So I received a message that one or more of you is going to be getting married soon. I find that you are going to be meeting this person pretty quickly, and also that you are going to be starting a family pretty quickly. One of you may even already be pregnant. If so, then congratulations. But I got that you are going to be getting both. It was very clear that it was both marriage and pregnancy, and that both are going to be happening very quickly. You may already even have kids of your own, but I definitely got a pregnancy as well. The other thing that I received too is that there's going to be some evil eye that is going to be a part of this marriage and this family, and so I'm not quite sure if this is going to be like a public relationship to where you might be dealing with some challenges either online, or maybe you both or even just one of you has a pretty dysfunctional family that you may be receiving evil eye that way, or even from friends and just jealousy in general when it comes to that. So be careful. But again, I also had a dream about a snake having to do with this as well, and snakes in dreams can be interpreted differently, but for this particular one I got transformation and protection, and it was actually very friendly. At first, I was feeling a bit of fear, but then I realized that the snake was there to help. And you both may also go through a Kundalini awakening together, and that can be also very healing in the bedroom as well. So if you haven't done any research when it comes to that, I would definitely recommend it, but of course, use your discernment as always. Don't believe everything that you read. You always want to go to your spirit guides and make sure that you are getting out of the information what best serves you. But again, you are highly protected. This relationship is highly protected. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. And the snake also kind of looked like the face and the eyes of the dragon, the main one from How to Train Your Dragon. And so dragons may be a synchronicity for you, or even especially that movie. And so that was absolutely worth mentioning if that helps you to know that this message is for you as well. So let me know in the comments, and congratulations if this message is for you. I love getting these. I just woke up in the absolute best mood ever. It just made me so happy, and I couldn't hardly wait to get this message out. So congratulations. I love each and every one of you so much. If this message is for you, let me know in the comments. Let me know. I love that. I love each and every one of you so much. I'm sending you all the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.